Good morning dear children. Once again welcome to maths class. Last class we studied how to draw a rectangle using set square. We are using a square corner of set square to draw rectangles. Here you can see in the set square two other corners also. Today we will use other corners of the set square and draw the figure. Okay. Now once again I am drawing the rectangle using the set square. Okay. Okay, next I am going to use this corner, okay, the other corner of the set square. Okay, so in this picture we are using the square corner and in this picture we are using the other corner of the set square. Okay, we can see when you are using the square corner, we will get the straight up lines. Okay, when you are using the other corner of the set square, we will get a slanted line. See, this left side and the right side both are slanted. Understood of you? What is the difference when you are using the square corner and the other corner? Understood of you? Okay, next in your textbook one question is there. We will do that question now. Okay. Page number 27. Rahim put a dot on a paper and drew lines from it using only one corner of a set square to make this picture. How many sides does this figure have? Can you do this in your notebook? So the picture is given that I already drawn here. Okay. So we have to draw the same figure using set square. So we are using this set square, the other set square to draw this picture. So here you can see three corners. This is the long corner. This corner is long and here it is short and here also one square corner also. So we are using square corner to draw rectangles, straight up lines. So today we are using this corner, the opposite of this long corner. This opposite corner we use. Okay. So how can you draw? First, you have to draw. Rahim put a dot on it first. So first you have to put a dot. Then next you have to draw a line circle that is 3 cm long. So here I am drawing a little bigger. Okay. You cannot see properly. That is I am taking a little bigger. Okay. You should take only 3 cm line only. Okay. So draw a 3 cm line. Okay, next we are using this corner. So you know how to set the set square. See this dot and this line touch the set square. Okay, then draw the line. Then again we have to do the same procedure. Okay. Next, we want all the lines 3 cm long only. Okay. Here it is little bigger. Okay. So 3 cm cut it from here. Okay. Then now we got these lines. Okay. Then you have to join all the lines. That is. Okay. Now we got the figure. This figure. How many sides? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We studied 6-sided figures are called hexagon. Now we got the figure that is 6 sides called as hexagon. Next all of you. Next we are drawing another figure using set square. In this figure we are using this set square, another set square in your box. So one square corner and same two other corners. All of you, ഈ രണ്ട് കോർണറും ഒരുപോലെയുള്ള ഒരു സെറ്റ് സ്ക്വയർ നിങ്ങളുടെ ബോക്സിലുണ്ടല്ലോ. So we are using this set square. Okay. Then how can you draw? First put a dot, then draw a line. Then the measurement is not given, so we can take any measurement, okay, as your wish. Then again we are using this corner, then this dot and this line touch this set square, okay, then draw line. Again the procedure continue. Okay, now we got 8 lines. Okay, so the length of all the lines will be the same, then only the figure will correct. Okay, so we'll take measure all the lines 4 centimeter. Okay, 4 or 5 centimeter we can take it. 5, 5, 5, okay, then join all the lines. What we got now? Did you see this picture before? See how many sides? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This figure, 8 sides are there. We studied 8-sided figures are called octagon. 8-sided figures are called octagon. We studied in the lesson first. 8-sided figures are called octagon. So see figure, 8 sides, and this figure is called octagon. Okay, understood? Okay, ഇത്രയും കാര്യങ്ങളാണെന്നുള്ളത്. ഫസ്റ്റ് ഫിഗർ നിങ്ങളൊന്ന് വരയ്ക്കുക. അതിന് എക്സാം ഒക്കെ ആയതുകൊണ്ട് ഈ അടുത്ത ഈ ഫിഗർ, രണ്ടാമത്തെ ഫിഗർ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് സമയം കിട്ടുമ്പോൾ നിങ്ങൾ നോട്ട്ബുക്കിലോട്ട് വരച്ചാൽ മതി. ഹോംവർക്ക് ആക്കിയിട്ട് ചെയ്യുക. നാളെ തന്നെ ചെയ്യണമെന്നില്ല, ഇന്ന് തന്നെ ചെയ്യണമെന്നില്ല. നിങ്ങൾ സമയം കിട്ടുമ്പോൾ വരച്ചാൽ മതി ഹോംവർക്ക് ആക്കിയിട്ട്. ഓക്കെ, നെക്സ്റ്റ് ട്യൂസ്ഡേന് മുമ്പ് കംപ്ലീറ്റ് ആക്കിയാൽ മതി. ഓക്കെ, താങ്ക് യു. സീ യു നെക്സ്റ്റ് ക്ലാസ്. ഹാവ് എ നൈസ് ഡേ.